1996 BMW 328i, and I believe it's one of the best cars BMW has ever made. Today I'm gonna talk to you about the history, performance, handling, design, and whether this would still be a good purchase in 2023 or not. So the E36 was built from 1992 up until 1999, and the 328 came with a special engine that is 2.8 liter inline-six, making 190 horsepower and 207 pound-feet of torque, which is absolutely crazy from a naturally aspirated made in 1992. So this specific car is not exactly stock. This is an M50 engine that has a K&N air filter and is OBD2 tuned. And the owner of this car mentioned that this could be making close to the 200 horsepower range. By the way, my girlfriend told me if I hit 10,000 subs, she will let me buy one of these, so please subscribe. In terms of styling, this car has a full M3 body kit, side mirrors, spoiler, rims. These are original M3 wheels that this car is on. When I think BMW, I think this is an absolute classic. You can still see some design cues that BMW has carried on up until now in their modern cars, like their circle headlights is an absolute staple of BMWs up until the recent generation that they it up, but we don't talk about those in this channel. As for the side profile, the E36 has a long wheelbase and very short overhangs, and it has these like gentle lines that flow all the way from front of the car to the rear end of the car, and it looks absolutely stunning. And especially in this Dhaka yellow color with the sun shining on it, it looks absolutely stunning. This M3 spoiler has such classic design, and it's unlike anything you can see nowadays in the modern cars. The tail lights, absolutely classic. Really love this. This car, believe it or not, is a bit older than me. Growing up, I was born to this. This is what I remember. This is what I came to fall in love with growing up. And looking at it right now, it's just like very nostalgic to me. In terms of handling, the E36 has been known to have God-tier handling. It's very agile, very tail happy, very lightweight and easy to throw around. But this car has some additional upgrades to make it even better. So one of the most important handling mods that this car has is HWL adjustable coilovers and semi-sleek tires. Few other handling mods would be an X-brace, front and rear strut bar, an M3 anti-roll bar, and a front arc bar. So these would be some of the mods that you can go ahead and go for if you're looking to buy one of these cars or if you already have this car. But how does this car actually drive? So let's find out. So I'm gonna test drive this car and probably buy it later.
What? This wasn't the plan!
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. Stealing at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hostile trying to flip me out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause a good die young. Yeah, good die young. Pushing to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no.
Oh my God. I don't even know whether I can be heard out of this thing. Holy! I know I've said this a lot on this channel, but this time I'm serious. I won this car! Oh my God, this is the only thing I can say right now. If you're looking for a classic driving experience and you're not looking for all the bullshit tech out there, if you're not looking for power steering, you're not looking for a soft automatic transmission, you're looking for the rawest thing possible, get one of these. It's absolutely insane. The driving experience is insane. This is unlike anything I've ever driven before. I've driven so many different cars. Oh my God.
Are you okay, bro?
This is absolutely insane. It might only say it has 190 horsepower on paper. That's just a number on a piece of paper. That doesn't mean anything. The experience that you will get out of this is far better than the experience you'll even get on a 400 or 500 horsepower car, because this is raw, this has feeling, this will engage you in a way that you will not be engaged with any modern cars out there right now. The handling, the steering is super sharp. This M3 steering wheel is absolutely amazing. It feels crazy. It's small, the steering feels sharp. You feel every single sensation on the road, every single bump, every single stone that's on the tarmac, you will feel it. And that is something special about this car that you do not get in modern cars. Oh my God, this is insane. This is absolutely crazy. How much? How much? Just throw a number.
Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no.
If you don't want one of these cars, you're insane. So I'm gonna swap my cars with him, okay? Okay.
Could I push the chair back?
Thank you, bro.
Okay.
Here's your keys.
An F30 and an E36.